Alkenes. Alkenes. Well, in the previous video we talked about alkanes. Now alkenes. Well, alkenes as well as the general formula, that's CnH2n, and you should know these things. This is the general formula. General formula. Then, how did we notice that an alkane is by single bonds? So with this one, we notice it by double bonds between carbon atoms, something like this. Yes, something like that. And what else? There is the functional group. Oh, that's the functional group. The name and with ENE. See, ENE. They end with ENE. With alkanes, the word alkane ends with ANE, and thus the names of the alkanes will end with ANE. Same applies with this one. It and the word, the name, it ends with ENE, and so then the alkenes will end with ENE. There. And what else? The first five, suppose. Yeah, the first five. Number one, this one doesn't have methane. Methane doesn't exist at all, so it starts with ethane. Ethene. Guys, look clearly here. Ethene. It ends with an ENE. Then, well, methane, the structural formula is this. Oh. Then A. Remember, okay, someone might be saying now, there's one bond that's left here. No, remember I said in the previous video that carbon only bond 4 times. So this carbon is bonded 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So only 2 bonds have spaces. So put H here, put H here. Even here, this carbon bonded 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So only 2 spaces left for the hydrogens. There. This is how we write ethene. And the formula, molecular formula, is going to be C2 and H4. Remember, the general formula was like, whatever number of carbon atoms you put here, you should plug it even on that end. So for this one, there's 2 here. It's going to be C2 here. Then there's 2 even on this end. What is 2 times 2 is 4. So in order to obtain the molecular formulas, you may even start with the general formula. Anyways, let's move. So the second one is propene. That's 3 carbon atoms, at least looking like this. Yeah. Yes, and this is what we call a propane in the structural formula. The molecular formula is C3 and H6. Just double the number of carbon atoms to get the number of hydrogen atoms for alkenes. Okay, then number 3, we have butene. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons. Remember, carbon bonds 4 times, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. This carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. This carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, the first carbon is 1, 2, 3, 4. Second carbon is 1, 2, 3, 4. Third carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4. Third carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, see, each carbon bonds 4 times. There, that's butene. Number 4, there's pentene. That's 5 carbon atoms. See, is this an alkene? No, there's single bond between carbon atoms, and this gives us the alkane. So for it to be an alkene, there should be double bonds somewhere in between 2 carbon atoms at least. So yeah. There. And 5. Oh, it's gonna be hexene. There, that's a hexene. And so this is all about the alkenes. Talk about them later. Thank you for watching.